Science Sprouts Discovery School was started through the Discovery Center, and we're able to create a preschool foundation that nobody else is able to create but us.
Our kids are getting a one-of-a-kind learning experience here.
Yeah, the school was awesome. It really is.
Science Sprouts is changing the game because we are meeting kids where they are, as opposed to keeping them in the box and making them learn things that they've already learned. And we're alleviating boredom by providing them the next thing to learn.
Science Sprouts is somewhere where you don't just drop off your child and they go through the humdrum of playing and eating and napping. We help them build a foundation for skills that they are going to use for the rest of their lives. And that starts with communicating with them on their level and doing things one-on-one and meeting them where they're at with our curriculum. And we're setting them up with a foundation for a lifelong love of learning.
Here, my son is able to learn. Almost every single day that he wakes up, he is excited to go to preschool. He's excited to get there. But I can definitely tell that there is a focus on education here. He's learning, he's coming home with new words, he's coming home talking about topics that we haven't discussed at home, so I know he learned it here. He's interacting with his brothers, and since they also have a science-based education, they're talking to him about things, and he actually can contribute to the conversation, which as a 3-year-old, that's sort of impressive. And that all comes from the school.
The teachers here are just as in tune with my kids as I am as a mother. And like I said, you're not going to find that many places. This is our family. This is a big part of day-to-day, especially being a working mom and not being able to have your kids at home. This is second home for them. They love coming. I love seeing the joy in my kids' eyes when they wake up in the morning knowing that they're on their way to school, and just being able to work with us through whatever. It's awesome. I couldn't ask for a better place for my kids to go. I just love the school. I love all the staff. I really do. I really do.
We love our kids, and we are able to love on them because of our classroom sizes. We have a maximum that we're allowed in our classrooms, and it's a smaller number than what you might have other places. And so we are able to meet them on their level and really get to know them and build on what they need from us. And that makes me love them even more.
Parents who choose Science Sprouts are going to get the best education because we're meeting kids where they are. I want to come here every day and be here every day because I love watching the kids learn. And I love watching them learn at their pace and knowing that they are learning what they want to be learning. I love watching those aha moments and seeing kids figure things out and asking more questions, and we're able to provide all the answers that they want, for all the questions that they have, because they want to be learning all the time, and so we let them. I just can't wait to see what these kids do in the future because we're laying a solid foundation for them, and they're just going to be world changers.